Hello. Today I'm talking about conquering 15 minutes. Can you do your decluttering in 15 minutes? What I mean by that is, can you conquer the 15 minutes? Can you sit down and make yourself throw away, put away, give away in 15 minutes? And these are mental exercises. The physical act of doing these things requires very little energy. It's mental energy that is required. So I want you to really learn to conquer this 15 minutes of mental energy where I can say, yes, this is throw away. Yes, this is give away. Yes, this is put away. Remembering that put away is things that you love, need, and use, and you have to have space for them. I don't have a problem with how much you keep. I have a problem with not being able to have a place to keep it. So you have to be reasonable about where you live and how much space you have. Okay, that's conquering 15 minutes. Have a great day.